talk about family members. This is my grandmother. Her name is Sarah. She is 68 years old. She is retired now. She has short gray hair. She has small brown eyes. She is kind, friendly, devoted. She likes knitting, watching TV, meeting friends in her free time. She likes to eat chicken, salads, and candies. She dislikes fish and carrots. Every night she tells me interesting stories of kingdoms, fairies, princes, and princesses. She cares for everyone in the family. Okay, abzi akha bza'ba abayu is nagrana zello. This is my grandmother's blana zello. Izabzen selen ria zelena abaya blanallo. Her name is Sarah. Sarah tbahal. She is 68 years old. ጓል 68 ዓመት ያብለናሎ. She is retired now. እንታይ ገራላ ስራሕ አቋሪጻላ ወይካ ያሪፋላ already እንታይ ማለት እዩ ስራሕ እጂ አይተሰርሕነ. She has short gray hair. ሓጺር gray ሕብሩ ጸጉሪ ኣለዋ. She has small brown eyes. ናሽቱ brown ሕብሪ ዘሎም ያንቲ ኣለዋ. She is kind ለጋስ ወይ ለዋ. friendly ሕውስ. devoted እምንትያ. She likes knitting ጎልፎ ምስራሕ ወይ ካዚ ናይ ብፈትሊ ድስራሕ ክዳውንቲ ትፎትያ ምስራሕ. watching TV ቴሌቪዥን ምዕዛብ ትፎትያ. watching ማለት ቴሌቪዥን ምዕዛቢ. meeting friends ማለት ምረኻብ ምስ ማሓዙት ምረኻብ. in her free time እዛኻ ኣብ ምንታይ ትገብሮ ኣብ ትርፊ ሰዓታ ማለት ወይ ኣብ ትርፊ ግዚያ. she likes to eat chicken እንታይ ምብላዕ ትፎትያ. likes ምፍታው eat chicken ምብላዕ ትፎትያ. salads ሰላጣ and candies ከረሜላ. she dislikes እንታይ ከተጸልያ dislike ምጽላይ fish ዓሳ and carrots. every night ኩል ጊዜ ምሸት ማለት እዩ. she tells me እንታይ ትነግረኛ ንዓይ interesting አገዳሲ. interest ማለት አገዳሲ ማለት እዩ. አገዳሲ ድኾነ stories ዛንታታት እንታይ ዓይነት እዮም ዛንታታት? stories of kingdoms ናይ ንግስነት ዛንታታት. fairies ናይ ደቂ ሕድርትና. fairy ማለት ጓል ሕድርትና ማለት እዩ. fairies ማለት ከዓ ንብዙሓት ጓል ደቂ ሕድርትና. princess ልኡል ወይ ከዓ ወዲ ንጉስ ናይ ወዲ ንጉስ ዛንታ. and princesses ናይ ልዕልቲ ወይ ከዓ ናይ ጓል ንጉስ ወይ ናይ ጓል ንጉስ ልዕልቲ ወይ ከዓ ናይ ጓል ንግስቲ ዛንታ ተነግረኒ. she cares for everyone in the family. cares ማለት ምክብኻብ ወይ ከዓ ሓልዮት ምግባር ማለት እዩ. ንመን ተሓሊ everyone ኣብቲ ስድራ ቤት ዘሎ ንነፍስ ወከፍ ኣባል ስድራ ቤት ተሓሊ ወይ ከዓ ትንከባኸብያ. talk about family members. This is my sister. Her name is Christine. She is 5 years old. She is a preschool girl. She has long wavy hair. She has big gray eyes and long eyelashes. She is lovely, cute, cheerful, and shy. She likes swimming, dancing, and playing with her teddy and dolls in her free time. She likes to eat dairy products, pancakes. She dislikes spinach and broccoli. Her laughter and mischief are very innocent and lovely. Okay, ሕጂ ከዓ ብዛዕባ ንእሽተይ ሓፍቱ የላልናሎ. ንእሽተይ ሓፍቱ መን ትበሃል? This is my sister ብለናሎ. እዚኣ ሓፍተያ. Her name is Christine. She is 5 years old. ጓል 5 ዓመት እያ. She is a preschool girl. ናይ ኣዚለ ተማሃሪት ያብለናሎ. preschool ኣዚለ ማለት እዩ. she has long wavy hair. ነዊሕ እንታይ ኣለዋ? ጥቕለል ዝበለ ወይ ከዓ ፍሪዝ ዝኾነ ፀጉሪ ኣለዋ. she has big gray eyes. ፍሩያት የዕንቲ ግሬይ ሕብሪ ኣለዋ. and long eyelashes. ነዊሕ ቀርኒ بعይኒ ኣለዋ. she is lovely. ተፈታዊት እያ. ከምኡ ከዓ ምጭውት እያ ወይ ከዓ ሽኮሪና እያ. cute ማለት ሽኮሪና ወይ ከዓ ምጭውቲ ክንብል ንኽእል ህፃኑን ስለ ዝኾነት cheerful حقوستيا and shy حفارة shy حفار she likes swimming انتي تفوتيا محمباس dancing متصوات مسأسع playing متصوات منتاي متصوات with مس مالتي with her teddy and dolls teddy زبهال بامبولايو and dolls كا بامبولاتات مالتي in her free time أبناي ترفي جزئات تصوت she likes to eat dairy products انتي كتبلع تفوتيا وتصيت تساواز خونو نجرات كتبلع ويكا كتستي تفوتيا pancakes كما خا كجا pancakes تفلالي عند كجالو ب هنقاقو حز سرح كجا خون خل بستفلالي مالتي pancakes عينتات كجا she dislikes spinach and broccoli انتي كتتسلع spinach and broccoli her laughter ناتا سحقة and كم خا باجا كتتصاوت كلا تجبرو act انتي بهال انتي بلنا له are very innocent بالتعامل انتي زخوني innocent نصح زخونة كم خا فكر lovely تفتاوي ويكا تفتاوي His name is Jeremy. He is 14 years old. He is a pupil. He has short brown hair. He has big blue eyes. He is clever and sociable. He likes playing computer games and skateboarding in his free time. He likes to eat hamburger and pizza. She dislikes fruit and vegetables. My brother has a good habit of helping people. I'm proud that God gave me such a brother. اوكي انتي زبلنا زلو بزعبا حو نشتي حو خايلا لنا لحجي this is my brother زبلنا زلو ابسلي سلن ريزلنا this is ننتقام كل زي انقلصو خمس قننا his name is Jeremy نسو سمو منيو Jeremy بحال he is 14 years old ودي 14 عامت يبلنا له or he is a pupil انتايو هتسان تمهاري pupil هتسان تمهاري student تمهاري مالتي pupil كا هتسان تمهاري he has short brown hair حتصرتي ها صغر ያለው انت عينت حبري brown حبري he has big blue eyes ፍሩያቲ عندي ያለው انت عينت عندين حبرن blue ويكا سماوي he is clever and sociable he is clever ማለት ንፉዕ ማለት ኣብ ትምህርቱ እንታይ ንፉዕ and sociable حوسي ማሕበረሰቡ ለኻ ኣብ ማሕበረሰብ ኣብቲ ኣካባቢ ዘሎ ማሕበረሰብ ካ حوسي he likes playing computer games እንታይ ምጽዋት ፎትዩ playing ምጽዋት ማለት እዩ computer games ኣብ ኮምፒውተር ዝጽወቱ ጸዋታታት game ማለት ነው skateboarding ከምኻ skateboarding በጅሮለ ዝመስል እንዳተንቀሳቀስካ ትጻወተሉ ዓይነት ጸዋታ እዩ skating board in his free time ኣምንታይ ድጻወቶ ኣብ ነጻ ዝኾነ ወይ ካብ ናይ ትርፊ ግዚኡ ማለት እዩ he likes to eat hamburger እንታይ ክበልዕ ፈትዩ hamburger ከምኻ pizza he dislikes እንታይ ከይጸልእ ፍሩታ ከምኻ ፍሩታ ማለት እዩ vegetables ፍሩታ ወይ ከዓ vegetables ኣሕምልቲ ማለት እዩ my brother has a good habit ሓወይ እንታይ ኣለዎ ብለና ኣሎ good habit ልምዲ ማለት እዩ ጽቡቕ ማለት እዩ good ስለዚህ ጽቡቕ ልምዲ ኣሎ እንታይ ዓይነት ጽቡቕ ልምዲ ዘለዎ ንሰባት ምሕጋዝ helping people help ማለት ምሕጋዝ ማለት እዩ people ከዓ ሰባት እዩ ስለዚህ ሰባት ናይ ምሕጋዝ ጽቡቕ ልምዲ ኣለዎ I am proud that God gave me such a brother I am ኢልና ከነንበብ ከለና በዚህ ግዜ ክትነበብ ከላ contradicted ኮይና ትነበብ ወይ ከዓ ብሕጽር ዝበለ I am ኢለ ካብ ዘንብብ am ኢለ እዚኣ ከምብባ ይኽእለ I'm proud ይብለና ኣሎ proud እንታይ ሕቡን ወይ ከዓ ኩሩዕ ብመን ኩሩዕ ብሓወይ ኩሩዕ ስለምንታይ that God gave me such a brother ምኽንያቱ ብምኽንያቱ እንታይ ይብለና ዘሎ God ማለት ኣምላኽ ማለት እዩ ኣምላኽ እንታይ ስለ ዝሃበኒ ከምዛ ዓይነት ሓዊ ስለ ዝሃበኒ give ማለት መሃብ ማለት እዩ give መሃቢ gave ከዓ ናይ ምሃብ ሕሉፍ ክኾን ከሎ ሂብኒ ክንብል ኮይና gave ንብል ማለት እዩ ክሳብ ንረኸብ ሰሰናዩ ዝኾነ ሓሳባት እንድሕር ኣለኩም ኣብ ኮመንት ሴክሽን ኣቕምጡለይ ከምኡ ከዓ እንድሕር ፈቲኹሞ ላይክ ግበሩ ከምኡውን ሰብስክራይብ ንኻልኦት ንኽበፅሖም ንትፈልጥዎም ሰባት እንግሊዝኛ የድልዮሚ ንትብልዎም ሼር ግበሩሎም ወድሓንኩም